Welcome back to the Car Xplorer, the channel where innovation meets luxury on wheels. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a creation that redefines the meaning of performance travel and fuses the soul of a supercar with the comfort of a five-star hotel on wheels. Ferrari has always been synonymous with speed, elegance, and Italian craftsmanship. But this motorhome takes those values to a completely new dimension. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of power, prestige, and futuristic design. The exterior of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. It carries the unmistakable Ferrari DNA, with sharp aerodynamic lines, sculpted carbon fiber panels, and a low-slung stance that hints at its racing heritage. The signature Rosso Corsa red paint gleams under the sunlight, accentuated by black carbon trims and a massive rear diffuser that looks straight out of a Formula One pit lane. The LED lighting system features Ferrari's signature daytime running lights, seamlessly integrated into the bodywork for a sleek, futuristic look. Even the side mirrors have been replaced by aerodynamic cameras that reduce drag and provide a 360-degree digital view. The motorhome sits on massive 22-inch alloy wheels with carbon ceramic brakes, making it not just a luxurious cruiser, but a machine capable of handling speed with precision. As you step inside, the interior is a masterpiece of Italian luxury and modern technology. The cabin greets you with hand-stitched leather seats in Ferrari's signature tan and red color combination, complemented by carbon fiber inserts and ambient LED lighting that adjusts to your mood. Every surface feels premium, from the Alcantara roof lining to the brushed aluminum control panels. The driver's cockpit is inspired by Ferrari's latest GT lineup, featuring a fully digital curved display, a race-style steering wheel with integrated drive modes, and a minimalist dashboard that combines performance design with motorhome practicality. Moving to the living space, Ferrari has ensured no compromise between comfort and performance. The motorhome offers a spacious lounge area with reclining seats, a hidden smart TV that rises from the counter, and a panoramic glass roof that brings the outside world in. The kitchen area comes equipped with top-of-the-line Italian appliances, including a compact induction stove, an espresso machine, and even a wine chiller. The bedroom is pure luxury, a queen-sized bed with memory foam, ambient lighting, and a smart glass wall that can turn opaque for privacy at a touch. The bathroom follows the same theme, offering a rainfall shower, touch controls, and marble-style finishes that give it a boutique hotel vibe. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome doesn't just look fast, it is fast. Underneath the sleek exterior lies a hybrid powertrain derived from Ferrari's Supercar technology. It's powered by a twin-turbo V8 engine paired with electric motors, delivering a combined output of around 950 horsepower. This allows the motorhome to go from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds, numbers unheard of for a vehicle of this size. The adaptive suspension system ensures a smooth ride whether you're cruising on the highway or exploring mountain roads. The vehicle also features Ferrari's latest EAWD system, ensuring maximum grip and control under all conditions. Despite its power, the hybrid system allows impressive efficiency for long-distance travel, with regenerative braking and multiple drive modes for comfort, eco, and sport. As for pricing, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome sits in an elite category. The base price starts at around $3.5 million, with customization options that can push it well beyond $4 million. For that price, owners aren't just buying a vehicle, they're buying an experience. If you love this futuristic and luxurious creation, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Car Xplorer for more incredible automotive adventures. Until next time, keep exploring in style.